wanna test drive, but I'm so on fire. Flying in a pelican, find another chick there, and then I don't see her. Cause my swag is serious, I'm heavy like a first day period. So drop it like a guitar on my amplifier. When you hear some beat, keep going, take it higher. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Beat that, ooh, beat that, beat that, ooh. Drop it like a guitar on my amplifier. When you hear some beat, keep going, take it higher. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Beat that, ooh, beat that, beat that, ooh. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Beat that, ooh, beat that, beat that,
Let's learn Feed the Fetish. It's choreographed by Scott Blevins. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Feed the Fetish. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. We're now going to do a quarter C bump, so you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, bringing your right knee up and pushing your right hip up. You're now going to step down with your right, bringing your hips center. Then you're going to push your right hip to the right, sitting down over your right foot. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Those last few counts are going to feel like a half turning shuffle. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, quickly recover back onto our left and make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly to the right side, but next to your left, and then cross your left over your right to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to step our right foot to the right side and step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your rock recover quarter. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 quick steps back, stepping back right, left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're going to step our left foot slightly forward. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the diagonal. And then you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the diagonal. When you end this section, you want to make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart and they're equal distance forward. Now, some styling that you can do is when you do those outs, you can kind of like push your hip to each side. You can give a little bit of a shake. You can add some extra fun into that part when you do your out before you go into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped together, facing 9 o'clock, weights on your left. We're going to cross our right over our left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock our left foot back behind our right, recover onto your right foot, and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to do a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to face 12 o'clock. And we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to use this as a prep, so you want to slightly point your toes to the right. We're now going to do a full and a quarter, so this turn is going to end us at 3 o'clock. We're going to turn over our right shoulder. As we bring our left foot next to our right, you're going to slightly bend your knees, and you're going to turn a full and then a quarter to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to do 2 walks forward, walk, walk. Now, when I do this turn, I don't fully put my weight on to my left foot until I've come all the way around and I use my walk forward with my right to stop myself. So you want to make sure that you're balanced when you do that spiral, and you're bending your knees slightly, not a huge bend, but enough to give you some momentum to come all the way around and then do your 2 walks forward. You want to use that first step with your right kind of as you're stopping to make sure that you're at 3 o'clock, and then your step with your left is what's going to help you start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our out, out. We're going to rock back with our left foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, quarter C bump, quarter, half, quarter together, quarter. Rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, back, half, quarter, cross, step, together. Cross, quarter, back, 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 quarter, forward, half, side, out, out. Rock back, quarter, step, half, pivot, step, prep, a full into quarter, and your walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that full and a quarter is pretty fast, so you want to make sure that you are balanced before you start that turn so that you don't fall over like I did the first time we did it with steps. It's actually easier to do it faster, and you make sure that you use that step forward to stop yourself. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We don't have to worry about an ending because the dance ends naturally facing 12 o'clock with your full into quarter and then your 2 walks. What I like to do is step forward with my right to stop myself, and then I just step my left foot to the left side and do a little bit of a pose. But if you just do the 2 walks forward, that is fine as well. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our walks. Walk, walk, quarter C bump, quarter, half, quarter together, quarter. Rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, back, half, quarter, cross, big step, together. Cross, quarter, back, 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 quarter, forward, half, side, out, out. Rock back, quarter, step, half, pivot, prep, and you're full into quarter, walk, walk, start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, quarter C bump, quarter, half, quarter together, quarter. Rock, recover, quarter, cross, quarter, back, half, quarter, cross, big step, together. Cross, quarter, back, 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 quarter, forward, half, out, out. Rock back, quarter, step, half, prep, full into quarter in your walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the pole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Feed the Fetish. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Give me a...
Light skin, dark skin, my Asian persuasion. I got it all. That's why these girls actually hate me 'cause I'm sexy. Do you like my style? Yeah. Like I rock it down. Yeah. You can work me out. Yeah. Let me show you how. So here's a demonstration. A peep show tonight. My body's in this vision. Though it's on display, don't be scared to touch it. It's hands on, so come with it. I'm in like a guitar on my amplifier. When you hear some feedback, keep going, take it higher. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Now beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Now beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that. Light skin, dark skin, my Asian persuasion. I got it all. That's why these girls actually hate me 'cause I'm sexy. Do you like my style? Yeah. Like I rock it down. Yeah. You can work me out. Yeah. Let me show you how. Before we go any more further, let me put you up on a secret tip. I got novelties so appealing. Feed my fetish, please. Satisfy me, babe. I'm like a guitar on my amplifier. When you hear some feedback, keep going, take it higher. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Now beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Break it up, give it to me, come on. Now beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that. You like it how I move my spine, got you feeling all hypnotized, hypnotized. I got a body like a CO5, make people wanna test drive, but I'm so on fire. Flying in a pelican, find another chick better than I don't see. 'Cause my swag is serious, I'm heavy like a first date period. So